My name is Dylan Edwards. I'm the Chief Ranger on North Fork and Bull Shoals Lakes here in the Little Rock District. So here in the Little Rock District, several projects recently purchased automated fee machines to collect day use fees in our park. So in our machines you can purchase a daily pass for $5. You can also purchase a annual pass, which is good for 1 year. So if you purchase that, let's say during the month of April, that pass will be good until the last day of April the following year. For folks who are walking or riding a bike into the parks, the fee will be $2, and there'll also be a $20 fee for buses and your larger commercial style vehicles coming into the park for day use. The process is really simple. There's going to be just a few options to select from on the machine. So if you're just a private vehicle, you're going to select day use fee, and it's going to be a $5 charge. It will dispense a ticket in which you are supposed to put place face up on your dash, and of course the ticket will say that as well. If you purchase a USACE annual pass, that pass will be good for a certain amount of time, and each lake may be a little bit different, but you'll also place that face up on your dash for the day, but you'll have anywhere from 10 to 14 days to actually exchange that for the hang tag itself. And at most locations you'll be able to take that to any staffed gatehouse or to the project office and exchange that ticket for the actual hang tag.